Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the Google Gemini update problem on your device. So let's get started. So first thing first, you need to make sure that Google Gemini app is downloaded on your device. And if you are facing any kinds of update issues in this app, there are the various steps to follow. And the first one is you need to make sure that your app is updated according to the latest version. So to do so, you need to go to your app store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and update the app according. As I am iOS user, I will visit my app store and search the app Gemini, in which I am facing error issues. And after searching the app Gemini, open the app and there will be the option update there if the updates are available. So if the updates are available, there will be the option update, and you just need to tap on the option update and update your app accordingly to the latest version, so that you won't face any kinds of update issues while using the app Gemini. And then there is also the option like settings. Go to the option settings, tap on the option general, go to the option iPhone storage and search the app Gemini in which you are facing the error issues. Tap on the option Gemini and there is the option offload app. Tap the option offload, confirm it, and there will be the option reinstall app. So there is the option reinstall app. Tap on the app reinstall and your app will be reinstalled within a very few seconds, and you won't be facing any kind of update error issues anymore while using the app Google Gemini on your device. So that's how you can just fix these issues. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.